What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shipped from Sherman Oaks, California, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other thousands of videos. If you are inclined, please just share my videos, hit the notification bell, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. You can also cash at me at London Hawthorne if you'd like. Or go to websites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net and use my username London Hawthorne. When you're checking out, save $3. That's right, over $3 off every single shirt you purchase if you use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. This is a gift from my aunt. This is Solid Black Tan Extending Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. Ultra Hydrating Tan Extending Moisturizer formulated with skin softening argan oils and plus cocoa butter and shea butters from Millennium Tanning Products. I mean, in theory, I guess you could use it outside. I don't know. I don't think there's any SPF. I don't know. So I stopped tanning indoor tanning last March. Not opposed to it. It's just health reasons. I'm not really wanting to risk any skin, issues. But more power to you. My aunt and my mom still tan. It is what it is. So what do you guys think about tanning? Are you pro? Are you against it? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you ever tried Solid Black, let me know. Do they have another one from Millennium that you like? Leave a comment below, and more unboxings are coming your way. I have thousands and thousands of them already, and I'd love to know what you guys think. I will respond back to your comments. I wish you the best. Have a great one.